Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, VIVO. In front of me VIVO Y21s, and now I can show you how to improve battery life on this device. Firstly, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. So if you don't use mobile data right now, disable it and use only Wi-Fi. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need to read right now. Auto rotate if you don't need to use rotation right now. Disable location services, disable NFC, ultra game mode, and disable, newbie share, and great. Then reduce the screen brightness because screen consumes a lot of battery power, and great. That's it. So then after you will do all these items, so open settings, and in the settings scroll down and find battery here, and here you will see the battery saver, and here you can enable the battery saver mode. And great, it's all you can do to improve battery life on your device. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.